right in the center of Lucca, in Piazza San Michele in the Forum, close to the beautiful Church of San Michele, Romanesque style. All the square is surrounded by traditional shops, and one of these, it's a pharmacy, very old, the pharmacy Massagli. And this pharmacy was specialized in the past, like nowadays, to produce a liquor, a digestive, that was like a miracle after a very heavy lunch. Right here, you can see the bottles with these China Massagli Elixir China, that it's stocked here, and it's possible to buy, and it's a wonderful gift, a present for your friends. But now we are going to have a little interview to the doctor that is in charge to explain and to produce this wonderful elixir. I'm here with the doctor Marconcini, and is in charge to present this wonderful elixir. How this elixir was founded, when it was invented?
It was made in 1850 from Pasquale Massagli, the owner of this pharmacy. And it was made for fever, to get down the fever. Because in the past there was few cases of malaria in Lucca. It was made of quinine, there's an herb of South America, and with other herbs inside also, and alcohol, 25% alcohol. In the past was used for fever, and now we drink for digestion. Yeah?
Yes, because I know, like digestive.
Yeah, you can drink after lunch, after dinner, or you can drink it with ice or without. You can in winter also hot with the skin of orange or lemon. It's good for chest also.
Wonderful. So many flavors.
Many years. Or you can drink also for like aperitivo.
Oh. Instead, a spritz e China Massagli. So, as you can see here in Lucca, we have many things to offer, but always in the tradition.